This is a 2009 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, active fuel management, trailer wiring, fog lamps, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 52,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Vandergriff Chevrolet, the Metroplex's volume leader, is located at 1200 Interstate 20 West, Arlington, Texas, just across from the Parks Mall in South Arlington.